OK，换件衣服。
In the game with upgrades.
Oh, this is
Makes life a little difficult.
the weapon box, right?
Yeah, it's
Damn.
your.
I haven't unlocked it yet.
Oh, you haven't?
God damn! That's the cheating power, huh? God damn.
Okay, let's go.
Where?
Oh wait, no, just use my fast travel thing. Duh.
Yeah, where to?
Go to Valentine. Oh wait, what's more cheaper?
Where to? Where to?
有病啊！
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. This one's slow.
You know, I might not be able to understand certain things or items that you said. You might say, because my whole game is in Chinese.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, I can barely read. Okay. You want to do Shepherd?
Whichever one.
Okay. Let's do bow.
Let's go.
Wait, hold on. Wait, before we do anything, I need to, just so you know, I bring my horse just about everywhere, because I'm too scared to get off my horse, so if this horse dies, I'm dying with it. The lantern you can get on the collector roll.
No, I do have it. I just feel like, you know, I don't like it.
Oh, kill him! That's, you do it.
God damn!
No?
I'm dying. Oh shit.
Whoops.
You did.
I didn't. I got on the thing, not behind the thing.
Nope. Nope. I'm gonna charge. Nope. 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 Wait, what the f- Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
That's not very good.
I mean, alright, I'm dead. Bro, he has a Gatling gun and you have this bounty on level 5 difficulty.
Well,
Yeah.
we can't quit it now.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna pretend my cousin's inside.
Messy job. You'll get your reward as soon as they're laying out back.
Finally, bro.
Oh, I hate Red Dead. I don't like the shooting aspect.
Huh?
Mister, I can't deal with you right now. Your name makes me mad.
What you mean?
Oh,
Where are we right now? Oh, we're in Rhodes.
I love Whiskey. Where are we? Yeah, we're in Rhodes. We're like the most toxic town. Look at Whiskey. He's so cute.
Oh, this is another horse?
What do you want to do? Go look around. I'll do it with you.
Okay, I'm checking the map right now. Maybe try trading.
Yeah, we can try trading. When I saw them try to kill my horse, I'd get like really mad and I just start like shooting like a crazy person.
I got crazy killing people when they shoot off my head and also my horse.
Your hat. This is a very long distance.
Yeah, I know.
Run, little horse. Okay, it's gonna be a steep turn. Hold on to your hat.
Damn. Oh shit, be careful. Where you from anyway?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a Texan. I don't think the horse is supposed to be. What?
Alright, I
Are
can't.
you okay? I don't know what I'm doing. Crap.
Bless your heart.
Bless your heart, little buddy.
I'm gonna try to jump on my horse. Oh shit. Where?
I think you know.
I know. You got a cute dog. But you should invite me to your camp though, you know, I'm Chinese. You know what we should do? Do you have a bar? I haven't seen like what the band look like.
Okay, yeah, go to Fast Travel. Go to Moonshine Chef.
Moonshine Chef, okay, thank you. I don't even know what it's called. I'm gonna go downstairs. Damn. I'm playing your guitar right now.
Oh. Oh.
Look alive, fellers. Got us a customer.
Let's go.
Okay, hope y'all like this one. We sure do.
Looks nice. Oh, you can dance?
This guy's bored. He wants you to get off his guitar.
I'm sorry, bro.
Do you know if they're playing?
What? Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Hey, good
Yeah.
job.
Yeah, I'm the barkeep.
Ah, dude, I want a beverage. Give me a drink. Oh, I got a bug. I got it. Ah, I got it. Here, look, this guy. Oh, he did get me on.
Yeah. Yeah, here's another one.
No, I don't want any more.
Nah, you have to.
Hope you liked it. Thank you for the time, ladies and gents.